We're almost near. This is Gaia Cafe, where the movie That Thing Called Tadhana was shot here. Let's have lunch inside. So it looks interesting already with the eye up there. Gaia, Mother Nature. Oh, it says entrance is right here, and you are greeted by bottle art installations, and this is the way to the dining hall. You have to walk through a good view of the mountainside, and looks like bamboo chimes. Hello, thank you. So we are having this table for a great view of Sagada Mountains. This is really cool in here. They have a fireplace, books for the cafe. My dream cafe as well. Do we have for lunch?
Burger.
Bean, something, sandwich, and then adobo.
Adobo,
Yeah.
vegan adobo.
Vegan.
That looks yummy.
Yeah.
And mine as well. It's a hot plate Ilocano dish, supposed to be spicy. Bon appetit! That was a really healthy, nutritious, and yummy lunch. I'd like to come back here again. So that's very highly recommended. This is Joan of Arc here, and see you next time. Bye for now.